Yeah, this is called Icon Park. So it's 37. This is cool. Do we want to do the sea aquarium? Okay, come on. Let's do the train first. Let's do the train, Mama. Ride the train. Gotta enter here. Sit in the back, Mommy. You don't want to sit in the front? Okay. Can Grandma even get in here? All right. She want to sit all the way in the back. Princess, why you pick the back of the train? Why you pick the back of the train? There's another train there too. Right. Guess we see the whole park. That was $16. I wanted to take on the Ferris wheel, but they saying that she's $30. Oh, look at Princess. This is very small for me. This is small for me, baby. Oh, we about to take off. Choo choo. Woo, here we go. Let's see, what can we see from here? Ooh, rough ride. Museum of Illusions. We did that. We done did some of everything here. Get out the way. Look at Princess. Look at my baby. This is her treat for going with me to the doctor and being so good. Talking the doctor's ear off. Oh, coffee. I definitely need some coffee. I'm sorry, y'all. This is shaking. It's a rough ride. Ooh, it's a rough ride. But you get to see the whole Icon Park. Look at that. Gotta be still, Mommy. Gotta stay seated until we stop. Oh, they got a Ferris wheel over there. I mean, not a Ferris wheel, a merry-go-round. Whoa! Oh. Look at that. Look at that. You want to ride that? Oh, it's gonna rain, Ernie. Oh, popcorn and fresh squeezed lemonade. That sounds good. Oh, it is already raining, so we definitely not gonna be able to do that Ferris wheel today. Shake Shack. Wow. You see everything, Mama? Churros and cream. Carrabba's Italian grill. All right. go get something to eat, baby girl?
My baby.
We gotta go get something to eat. Oh, we bought that big McDonald's. Maybe we should go to the world's largest McDonald's. We haven't been there in a long time. Well, I haven't been able to take you. I took money when she was a kid. But maybe I should take you. Yay, take my baby. I have popcorn in my tooth. I say I want popcorn, but that's a horrible feeling when you get popcorn stuck in your tooth. I had some popcorn from visitation. It was like 2 weeks before that stuff, the kernels got out my tooth. Yay, all right. Caricatures. That's what I should be doing. That's actually how I ended up working at a theme park. I thought I was going to do caricatures. Peppa Pig? Yeah, Peppa Pig. Wow. You want to take pictures? Now, we don't know. Grandma pockets are not deep. You know that? Grandma pockets kind of flat, honey. So, I don't know. Alright, we back at the station. Back at the station. Alright. Oh, mommy, don't take it out. Come on, come on, come on. Wait. Look at this. Me and Princess, isn't that beautiful? Here, mama, hold it. Come on, mama, hold it. Let me see the picture. Let me see the picture, mama. Say thank you. Beautiful. Let me see. You gotta open it. We gotta hurry up because it's gonna rain. Oh, I'm so sorry. So beautiful. All right. Was that fun, mommy? That was fun. All right. Come on, let's go, mama.